Today we are going to discuss about the background jobs. Okay, so what is exactly the background job is and why we need the background jobs. So first, let me to discuss what is a background job. Normally, when we are writing any script in shell scripting, we are running after writing the script, we are running the script in the terminal by either using dot slash script name, or this is one way, or we'll run like sh then script name. Okay, so if you are running the script here, then that is going to result the prompt. Okay, let's do that with an example. So here I have a script. Let's say let's develop one script which will run for a long time. Okay, so vi, let's say long time dot sh. I am writing one script for script which is the name is long time dot sh, and I am writing this way. This is the preprocessor directory, you can tell, but here in the Linux it is not like this. You should tell this line is called hash bang line. In this line, normally we declare the shell name under which the underlying script is going to run. Okay, so I'm writing one infinite loop. So that loop will not end. Okay, so I'm writing the script. Let's say while 1 minus le, then 2, then do, then simply I can tell echo hello. It is going to create some numbers from 1 till the till a long number. Okay, let's say dollar I can tell. So here I am telling I equal to 1. Then I would like to do that change like I equal to expression expr dollar I plus 1, then done. Okay, basically if I am pressing any using any variable, then I should put inside a pair of curly brace. So what this particular program is going to do, this is going to create the numbers from 1 to n, and it is going to put that number in a file, let's say a.txt. This particular program is going to run for a infinite number of time, because here I have written that 1 minus l is 2. In this condition, I'm always checking whether 1 is less than 2 or not. So this condition is going to be true always. So if it is always true, then it will come to inside that particular while loop, then it will print that I value, that 1, then it will put that value into a.txt file. I'm giving a single greater than, because I don't want to write the numbers in append mode. Okay, so each time the loop will enter into this particular block, it will override the previous data of a.txt. to the new data. So then it is increasing that I equal I plus 1, so that each time a new number will be generated like this. Okay. Then I am closing this. Then chmod u plus x long time. So I'm running this. Let's run that program in this particular background. Dot slash run. If I'm running this script, it is running. Okay. So it is not going to release that particular prompt. So it is not able to show me the next prompt because that program is running till now. And this program is not going to run complete because I have run that particular program in the background. So what happened here? I am not able to get that prompt again to do something. So unless until this particular program is not going to complete, I am not going to get that prompt. That means while I am running a program, I am doing only one task. This task is doing. So here it is single task. I told we know that in Linux or in Windows, in anything, in any operating system, we can run multiple tasks or multiple programs or multiple scripts. So how it will be achieved? And if I am running this particular program in some other way, okay, then that other way is called background. If that other way is called background, then what is this? Now I am running this script in the foreground. If I am running this program in the foreground, then it is not going to give me the prompt so that I will use that prompt for other use. So currently, this particular program is running. That's why we are not getting that particular prompt. There is two ways to run a script. One is in foreground, another is background. So foreground, this is called foreground. Let's close this particular program. So I will press Control C for stop that. I have killed. Control C means kill a script. The script was running for a long time. I have killed that. Now just see cat a.txt. It generated a number like this. So within this 2 to 3 minutes, we created the number like this from 1 to 10, 1 to this number 69,855. Okay. Next, how to run that particular script in background, and you will see the benefit. If I am running the script in this way by pushing a by adding one ampersand after the script dot slash script name then space and then it will actually run, but it will run that particular script in the background. Just see, when it is running that particular script in the background, it is generating one number. That number is nothing but your PID of your program. As I told, each time when a program is going to run, at that time we can tell it's a process. So as that program is running, we can tell it's a process. This is called a process ID. So it is showing you the process ID and giving returning your prompt to you so that you can execute any other command here. I am executing that command, I am executing cal command, I am executing ls command, I can put anything. Who am I? So basically, I am able to do multitasking. Here one task is running in the background and we are running different commands here. So at a time, this particular in this particular terminal, I am running two works at a time. One is the program is running, simultaneously I am running either that command or cal command or who am I command or any command that you want. Okay. So this is called a background, running a program in the background. So what is the benefit by running the program in the background? One of the benefit is like I am able to get the prompt which I can use for other purpose, irrespective of the program is running or not running. So now you can check this program is already running, and at the same time I am executing the other programs also, other scripts also, other commands also. So here if you want to see whether that particular program is running or not, there is a command called jobs. Jobs command is going to show you the background running jobs. So this job is already running. Okay. So the benefit of running a job in the background. Suppose you want to take that particular job into foreground. Okay. Then simply you will press FG command. FG. That program again reserved your prompt. So now it came to the foreground. It is not in the background. Okay. So how to uh, again how to make it or run that particular program in the background so that I will get that prompt. Here, if you will press Control C, then the particular program is going to be totally killed. Okay. But instead of fully kill the job, this running program is called a job also. That's why in the jobs command, I am able to see that it is in the running status. And I want to make it running as well as I want to uh, uh, take that particular script in the background. Now, as my prompt is reserved, I'm not able to write any command here. I can use some control characters. So here control C will kill the job, but I don't want to kill that job. I want to pause that job. Then after pausing, then I will use some background command job. So background command, then it will take that particular program in the background. So control C will kill, but I will not use control C. I will use control J. Now this particular program is paused for some time. It is not running. It is now paused. Okay. So you know, right, what the difference between kill and pause. Kill means totally it will be killed. If you will resume it, then it will start from the beginning. But if you will pause it, then it will start from the number. Means start from the that particular position where it was stopped. Now, if you will check what is the status of the job, JOBS. Now it is stopped. It is jobs stopped. If I want to take that particular script in the background or run the particular script in the background, then press BG because now you have got this prompt. So once you will get this prompt, you can use commands. So BG is for taking that particular program into background. Now it's running. Okay. So how to get JOPS? Program is running, but in the background. Now you got the prompt. You can press FG. FG for the taking that for running that particular background program into the foreground. Then you are not getting the terminal. That's why you will use the control character. Control is for stop. Then let's say BG. So either BG or FG. So it is stopped now. You can press BG. It is running now. So it is running. So you are again getting the prompt because it is running in the background. So you can execute FG. Okay. So running after running the program in the foreground, you cannot get that particular prompt. That's why you will use Control Z or Control C. Control Z I was using for stopping that particular program or pausing that particular program. Now I want to kill totally. So Control C. Now the program is totally fully stopped. Now you will put jobs. Now nothing is there. Got it? So today I have discussed how to run a job in the foreground, how to run a job in the background, and how to, if the program is already running in the foreground, how to take that into background. Okay, I have told you. Then another thing is there. There is concept called nohup. So what is that nohup? Just I want to tell you. Okay, so nohup is nothing but suppose this particular program is printing something like VI, my program in long run, right? LONG long run. So here I am printing something. Let's say echo hello $I. Just mark the things that I'm going to tell. If this echo is putting the output into a.txt, but this echo, as I'm not redirecting a particular output to any variable, then that is going to print in the screen itself. Let's see. Even if I'm running the program into the background, that program is going to display the output in the screen. Let's see. Here it is running background, because if I will press the date command, it is going to give the output, but it is very fast. That's why I'm not able to see that output. So let's Control C. So here Control C not going to work because it is running in the background. So do it FG, enter. Okay. So what to do? It is now gone in the. So here you cannot do anything. Here only it is not going to stop. So how to stop it? Okay. So there is no other way. So I can do one thing. I'm going to another terminal. Okay. Yes, I am running this. PS minus EF GREP. Process name was like long run LONGRUN. So still it is not showing. How can I get that information? Can put jobs. Okay. I can get like this PS minus EF grep LONGRUN. Oh, it's not running. It's not good. Okay, so I can do one thing. P kill minus F long run. Still it's not being stopping. So what to do? Let me think about this. So it is not stopping, right? So this type of program is really okay. It is not going to stop. So you cannot control this. Okay, but I can have the idea like PS minus AF. Yes. Here the see. If we'll put A, then I can get grep GREP LONG long run there. I can kill this KILL minus 9. This is the PID. Now it is stopped. Okay. So it stopped. Now another thing is running also. No, nothing is running. Yeah. So how I have stopped this particular job, you got it, right? Let's run it again, but I will this time I will not do that type mistake. So here I will put some sleep. SLEP sleep 2 seconds. So for this particular program is going to do / long run. I'm putting this in the background. It is still printing hello 1, then hello 2, then hello 3 here. But here you will execute command, command, cal command, who am I command. It's running in the background. But even if it's running in the background, because of that echo statement, it is echoing in the data here. If you don't want to echo this output here, then the solution is something else I will tell. So do it FG then it is coming in the front, Control C. Okay, now it is stop. What to do? Run that particular program in the background as well as nohup. If I am running this particular script in nohup, the C, now what it is telling, ignoring input and appending the output to nohup. Input it is ignoring, and the output, that means if you want to give some input, then it will ignore by read command kind of thing, but appending output to nohup output. So whatever output was there, like it was data. Okay, 14, then 15, then 16, but the nohup dot output is having the data which was printing in the screen last time. Last time we were able to see, because of this particular script, the script name was long run. So this line was putting the data into header text, but this line was putting the data into screen. So now that particular script is, if I'll check cat no put out, then the data is going to this particular file. Okay. So now if you want to check jobs, your job is running, and it is just appending the output, whatever things were going to the screen, they are appended into that no out, and the things which are going to edit text, it's going to edit text. Okay, so what is the benefit of no, and the output which was going to the screen, now they are able to capture inside that no output file. It's kind of log file, you can tell. Really it is very helpful while you are running any job in the background. So question will become like, what is the difference between running a program in the background and running a program into background and nohup? So I can tell you a single answer. Running a program in the background only without nohup will print the messages like errors or messages in the screen. But if you are putting a nohup here, then whatever output it is generating, either error or output, they will write into that nohup.out file. Okay. So let's kill that particular program. How to kill that? First check ps minus af, then grep long run, because my name I know, right? Long run. Okay, it's not getting, just capital A, here it is, long run. Yeah, now it is showing, right? So AF, then kill minus 9 7 6 8 8 2 0. This is one way. You can just kill that particular PID, or else you can do minus LONGRUN. Dot sh you can put, but just it is also sufficient. It should match, this long run should match in this name. Okay, any place. Then another way, you just take that background job into program like FG. Then this the job came here. Then you can put a control shift. Now put the jobs. Then nothing there. Okay, guys, I just completed the whole things, like everything that is written here. PS command, kill command, jobs command, background job, OR, BG, and FG. Okay, guys, I would like to close this session. It is already 11:50 p.m. Okay, after another 10 minutes, it's going to be AM. So, guys, it's now late night for me. So, closing this session. Bye.